Michael Phelps Chili Goat cold tubs are designed to bring home the greatest in cold water therapy. But to maintain your wellness routine, you need to maintain your cold tub, and that includes cleaning the surface. I'm going to show you the greatest way to maintain your Chili Goat. Are you ready? Let's go. The best time to clean the surface of your Chili Goat is right after you have drained the water. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more. Remove any leaves or debris at the bottom of the tub. Use a soft cloth and a gentle cleaning solution to remove any residue or buildup on the surface. Have white vinegar in your pantry? You can also make an easy cleaning solution with 1 cup warm water and 1 cup vinegar. Once you've cleaned the surfaces, make sure to thoroughly rinse with fresh water from your garden hose. Residual cleaning products might cause foaming when you refill your cold tub. And that's all there is to it. Now you can fill it with fresh water, turn on the tub, and get back to your chili soaks. Be sure to go to chiligoattubs.com to purchase filters and other accessories that make caring for your cold tub even easier. There, you can find additional resources and your owner's manual. Until next time, keep it cool.